What's up, guy? Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog, a very special. And today, guys, I'm just on the roof of the Villa Madelline, as you can see. So, guys, it's a bright morning. So let me show you guys. You heard? That's the birds. Yeah, singing the melodious song from one place to another. Look, you heard? Yep. So you heard? Right. So down there, there's the fish pond and it's clean. You can see the fish. So today work, we shall proceed for the next side where I have showing you every day. So guys, today's videos, it's raw and cut. What did you think about today's videos? But for me, are very special. And I thank God, man, for the gift of life. I thank God to see a bright morning like this. Oh, man. So, right now, I'm moving to check the work on the other side, guys. Look at the green for are coming. Look. So, when I reach down there, I go this way and then go that way. You get what I mean, guys. So, let's move on. Wow. So at the same time we charge the radio over here. These are music. Look, small music we charge over here, and these are solar. Wow. Look. Alright, man, let's meet for the next video. Oh, so we're just heading outside and let's see. So the work that I've done for today, you get what I mean? Wow. Let's move on. I'm telling you guys, it's morning over here. I park my jet here. You know? Parking my jet here. Okay, I don't know. You need to be better. I'm not going to be mad. Oh, we have the chicks, guys, coming out. So the mother inside here. And over here, guys,
this is myself, John. We are gonna treating the hen to make sure they don't die. That's why I'm here with Uncle Mo. So I have a channel by the name of John. Go there, subscribe my channel. God me 1,000 subscribers. Thank you.
Okay, guys. So let's move on to see the work for today. Guys, and over here, this is Uncle Mo. Hello.
Guys, welcome back. Here we are in Kunyo Musupo hapo. Let me finish, guys. Talk to you later. A few minutes.
Okay.
2 minutes.
Okay, there's some work we're supposed to do here. It's the green phone. Maybe they are hanging. Green phone and cock are the same. Alright, guys. So we just move on. You know. So I'm telling you, when I'm on the rooftop, when I reach down here, I go this way and then when I go that way. Let's see. Follow me again. You just move like this and vibe. So since previous day I was telling you that we're going to work here for the there's some music, but no problem. That's my grandma music. You heard? Mombasa, that's Tarabu. Babu, misumari itatoboa mikubwa.
Misumari tutajaribu tuone kama itatoboa. Lakini kuna nyingine tutapasua.
Misumari miti?
Yaani miti.
Oh. Misumari ichanganya mikubwa ndani.
Oh. Kwa hivyo itasaingia kwa miti vile unaiona.
Si misumari iko mikubwa kwa hiyo kifuko. So I'm telling our grandpa some nails here big. See? Mbona singi kama huu? Mimi yani kachukua msuma sikuchagua.
Lakini mingi ni kidogo. Sasa itatoboa. Sasa kuniambia mtu kama huyu itatoboa.
Utakuna kata hivi. Piga msumari.
Kwa hivyo mingi imekunjana mpaka inyoroshe.
Sioni nilikuwa natoa kwa mambao nikitunza.
Sawa.
Alright, sorry for the music. Na. And over here guys, is a mechanic. Bro, you talk nayo wapi Nairobi?
Kujipanga.
Introduce yourself.
Guys, my name is Only Mawira and I want to make a call to my wife.
Okay, you make a call. So guys,
Online.
this is the work for today and we're supposed to turn this stuff on this position here. Because that being said, Rio and Malaika were being disturbed this papaya, this one over here. So imagine we plant at the same with the one over there, but this one it can't mature because Rio and Malaika disturb a lot. So this is the hole, and there's some water inside. So we shall see what we can going to do next. And then I'm telling you that this light will be inside. You see right now, so they are inside. Look at that line in the black going up to that trees. So the light will be inside on this side here. Wow. So we adjust a little bit. Get what I mean? And right now, look guys, this is the papaya over here. So guys, stay tuned as we move on here. Hi. Chote kitoke. Kama hii side hapa.
Nataka tujaribu hii miti. Ipite chini ya hiyo taa hivi ndio iende tuone yenye itaingia kwa simu yenyewe, yenye itaingia tuache.
Watch out for this one.
Sasa
bado hii mpaka tuvunje hapa.
Tuvunje? Mali navunja.
Acha tuone.
kuja
Ni hapa tu.
hiyo tutasonga nyuma basi. Hivyo. Pole pole. Hiyo itaingia hiyo simu. Hiyo mbili imekubali kuingia, hata hii itaingia.
Hapo itaingia. Sasa hapa tuchimba shimo moja.
Sasa umeona sasa. Sasa hii tutaichimbia shimo hapa. Hiyo simu imekubali imeingia. Hiyo ndio tulikuwa nataka, hiyo kazi itakuwa rahisi kidogo.
Hii shimo labda lipanuliwe.
Tunaweka mmoja.
Sasa hello.
Weka tu irani baba.
Kucha na hiyo nyundo ni kuonyesha.
Hai.
Nitole hizi. Nyundo ndio ile.
The money is on the ground.
Oh guys. So let's do work for today.
The money is on the
transfer. Gani? Hii.
Nataka hii miti itolewe na hii.
Utapiga miti utoke.
Nataka utoke. Sasa nataka nitolee hii.
Okay, hebu fungua.
Tuende basi na ule huko mwisho. So mwisho za Swahili words means last one. Huu hapa. Lakini ningeona babunge chimbia tushimo hapa. Huu.
Sawa.
Una shida. Hadi tutahamisha.
Mpaka pale. Hii ya juu ndio nataka itolewe.
Si hadi yenyewe inahamishwa tena.
Gani?
Hii ya juu ihamishwe weko hapa.
Yani kikubali tutasaidia.
Itakubali, yenye itakubali tunatoa mti. Yes. So I hope you reach at this point. Yeah, achani kulete. Oh. So there's some stuff for digging the holes. Eh, lakini ukisema tunaweka miti yote. Eti unaanza upi? Hapo hizi toboa. This stuff. Lakini tukikorogea,
Hakuna ukoroga.
ama tena maji yatakuja juu.
Unaona kama hivi.
Our uncle is an engineer, but for the real sense, he was my grandfather. Si imekuwa? Si imekuwa? Ama baki fike futi moja. Kama basi ni changu likuwaka hapa.
Yes, ndio huu.
Sasa huu utapanua kidogo ama ushaingia? Taupiga na tarimbo. Toka hapa. Ana uchi hapa hivi bana.
Nini? Utaki?
Unajua si meenda side moja. Hii shimo siku nafai kuja hapa.
Kweli hiyo ndio imesuia.
Si unaona nimelala kwa ukuta. Wewe chima hapo tu. Toni kiingia ndani.
Mimi sijaamini.
Oh guys, stay tuned. Hujaamini? Ni hapo.
Naona itaki kuteremka.
So guys, I want to dig a borehole here, a hole. I think over here. I think everything is okay, guys, inside here. So work. Tatuko lihiki hanze
Pone kenda harusi maroko. Bako wasara serenu mu.
Ya leta. Gaki. Gaki. So I'm calling Gaki over there. Bring. Aba tungengoi. Gaki, tungoi. Tungoi tuweke hapa. Aya, leta King. So, King is a Korean word, means post. A post like this, yeah? Ija? Tatibu hangoro songoro hanoro. Endo wana kwa, sijui nimeacha ufunguo huko. Kama sijaacha huko, uende huko kwa rume nyunarara kuna jaketi yangu. Akino mahamahomor. I'm telling Mr. Gake to take care of the motorbike because there's some thorns there. Like yesterday, my motorbike got a puncture and all stuff, guys. So he went. Oh, it's so hot. Let me put my cape here. You know, that's my freestyle. Goodbye. Okay. Goodbye. So there's some hot that's supposed to be here, and then also a king. He help. Yeah, that's a king. King is a king. Simba hapa basi. King umengete. Asante kuitana weekend. Simba hapa. Yes, as they continue to dig there. So let's put here the posts over here. Yes, there. Wow, guys. And my way, I think this one can be fit there. This post. Maybe this one can fit there. Or is short. It's too short. Or we do like this.
No, they're short.
Okay. So this will be a source of a firewood. So put here because it have some nail. People don't interfere with the leg here. Guys. Numukuri. So guys, I want to hammer here. See here guys, like this. Woo! Then come here. Over there. Wow! So that's the work for today, is to put this stuff here. And to make it. Wow! And to find big God. Iko hapa kwa ndoo. Iko kwa ndoo hapo.
Kwani hiyo tu ndio unahitaji utatamani hii tena.
Wow. Alright, so and then what is to drive the nail? So no more Rio coming here. Okay, Mr. Bring another photo. We go straight. Wow. There's some Korean song going there. That's Rotan, Maro. Wow. And then we join here. Atan. Okay. Water. So I want to figure this one. That's what the camera. It's from down to let's go. Next is here. Next it's here. I'm telling you. Hey. Finally to be here. Okay, bring another one. So today is to put this one here. This one that you see here to prevent you going to disturb the fruits over there. See guys, so that's the work for today. Amazing job. It's another day and it's a bright morning. So right now I left my home or my house. So technically this is where I'm staying, this is where I'm living, man. So I want to live right now. So let me check the time. So like yesterday it was raining, the rain of cats and dogs, man. Let me check the time before you move. It's 8:45 a.m. That's my local time here. So I'm supposed to rush to my friend right now. So let's see. You can see guys, this is muddy. So supposed to wear the gumboot and it was very dirty. But no problem, it's okay. So let's move on, you know. So when I'm telling you it's rain of cat and dog, I mean yesterday it's rain a lot. Wow. And look, my gumboot was dirty, so I was supposed to clean up and I left, you know. So how am I going to do? Oh, this water you use maybe for mopping and all stuff. You know what I mean? I'm trying to wash my gumboot a little bit and then I move out. Imagine guys. So because that being said, at home here it's muddy everywhere. So like yesterday, oh, I'm telling you guys, you know, like yesterday we walk from here to Nyamuhans. It's raining. Right now I can put this stuff here. So let's move on. You see right now how my mom struggled to pass there because it's muddy. Look. What? Hey. Okay. But that's the struggle of our village here. Welcome outside. So before I leave, I want to check my project. It's a long time and I think on Monday I'm supposed to finish some small places that have been remaining, like screeding down of the toilet and washroom, and also there's some decoration over here. You get what I mean? Let me show you guys. So by God's grace on Monday, but inshallah I will finish this part here. You see this part? So I've already talked with the mason. So for Monday, by God willing, or by God's grace, is to finish this place. Come along with me up that way, you know. Come this way. Come this way. Oh, even here, I want this place to be sharp. You see, it's different rather than this one here. Look. And then also here and here. So the screening will be done only for the washroom, one and the last, but the second toilet and last toilet must be done putting concrete down to raise the, you know, the toilet up. And also they want to finish here, also down here, to put some slab like this one here. You know what I mean? Like this one here. After put that, the next thing is maybe when I get like 10 boxes of tiles, I'll fix this one here and maybe this one. But I think around 20 boxes. Here 10, because that being said, maybe 7 boxes will go to walling, rough tiles will go floor, like 3 of them. Even here 7, 3 of them down. So that being said, maybe here we go around 10, that's 20, and then 10, around 40 boxes. I think we'll finish inside. So technically I'm heading outside. Oh, let me check at the back. So, and also I think on Monday I will put some fisher board here. Oh, look at this. Over here, going round up that way, you know, to get the fitness of the toilet. So let's move on. Keep watching this vlog until the end. Maybe you wanna get some places which are very, very special. So I'm outside, I'm grinding hard, man, to achieve my goal. So right now let's move on. But I want to say thank you so much. Look at this. This is a muddy place. Hey, if you doesn't have a gumboot, you can't pass those places there. Or walking around my village, you must have the gumboot. My mom's house. Woo. I see the cow chilling there. So before I leave, man, I must check the cow and all stuff, you know. Me, I'm a lover of animals, because during old days our grandma taught how to graze the cow and making maybe some story with the other villagers while grazing. Oh, it's a beautiful cows. So for me right now, maybe in terms of timber, I thank God. This trees for my brother. We have already talked earlier that I will use for cutting timbers for my mama dream house. This that you see, all trees that you see here, all trees, maybe when it can't maybe finish, I will purchase maybe little of them. But for now, it's okay. So guys, I want to say thank you so much for the love and support. Thank you so much for taking me 5,000 subscribers. I really appreciate. For me as a hello baby, I'm just climbing the ladder slowly. So today I'm not going to Nyabohanse, but I'm going this way and then go down. So also at the same time, I'm checking the guy who wanna start maybe making for me some bricks for my mom dream house. You know guys, the reason why the guy making for me some bricks on their house over there or home, simply because at home we doesn't have enough water. At home we doesn't have any borehole there. So I see the expenses of digging borehole. I use a lot of money, and then I'll start maybe looking another money for making maybe bricks. So I choose for, oh yeah, okay. There is one of my neighbor passing with a motorbike. So I choose for him to make for me 10,000 bricks, and then I'll pay him some money, and then I look for the money to deliver some bricks from their home to my mom's home, and then actually I'll burn the bricks over there, because when the time allowed me, I'll start building, not a river of bricks, you know. So for now, let's see. I wanna pay him 40,000 Kenyan money. So for now, maybe I'll 40,000 Kenyan money. I'll pay for him a half of the money, and then we'll start making bricks. So let's go. Look how my village looks like, and my toilets over there. When you'll be here, it looks so big, man. Ooh, let's go. You can see the brights of our village, and today maybe it's gonna rain earlier. Look at the sky. Today I'll not blow in car, you know. You see that? Let's move on. Look at this fence. These are torn fence or amaranthus fence. When you catch your clothes, that's the story another day. Wow. So I'm almost to reach out to my neighbor's place to see how the process has been going on. So let's see. Whew, I'm fully outside, working so hard. So today, after checking my neighbors here, how the progress was being done, and then I'm going deep. Oh, sorry guys, sorry guys, sorry guys. Sorry. You know, I was having the phone on my pocket and I was listening to the music, and then pop. But I want to say sorry for that. So I think, guys, this is my bricks over here. You can see the progress. They have already started. So this is the bricks over here. So we need 10,000. I think it can take my brother here around 1 month for making 10,000 bricks. So for now, you can see the progress just over here. If you don't believe on me, look for the first progress, and when I'm delivered to home, you believe on it, man. Oh, Robbie! Oh, it was not around. Alright guys, so I'm keep moving on. So this goes to Border Town, but today I'm heading this way. Wow, there is a loading of trees here. Oh, over here, guys, this is a church we call Pepper Church. Maybe Pentecost Africa, East Africa, things like that. And actually, this is a church, I'm telling you, guys, over here. Wow. So today, guys, I'm trying to show you maybe some different places, but I'm going to visit one of my friends. I can't mention so right now. So, oh, it's a toilet, man, and on the sharp corner. Look that way. Whew. Wow. So I was passing, and you know, most of the people don't like maybe to feature on camera. So for me to do good thing is to put the camera off or to turn the camera off. You can see, guys, I'm just passing here. Maybe it was your first time maybe to see this place like this. And this is an electric cable. passing here. That's the post. Wow. Let's move on. I'm telling you guys. And these are the pure village. To see a vehicle passing here, maybe once, trust me, maybe once, guys. Like, since I was walking on this road, I haven't seen any vehicle. But I saw only the motorbike passing once, been and why. Wow. And it's a quite chilling places. All village. You can see that the millet, finger millet over there. You see guys, I'm telling you, it's deep village. One house here, maybe another over there, one over here. Woo. And actually this is a shop here. Ooh. Let's move on. You see guys, I'm telling you. Wow. Oh. East west, home is the best. That is it. Then over here. Woo. Oh. And I shall see where I'm passing to. We have a shop here and also posho mill for grinding the maize corn. So today live, actually you see where I'm heading to. Guys, what do you think? Am I analyzing where I'm heading to, or to be secret agenda? But for me, no more hide. Follow this vlog or follow this journey. You shall see where I'm heading to. I'm passing on this huge forest, and you can walk like 1 hour inside here. Woo. Look, it's freezing inside here, guys. I'm telling you, it's freezing, man. Woo. Sorry, guys. There's some music here. Try maybe I'll remove it here. Like that. Oh, guys, sorry for that. You know, my phone, when I was walking, it touched on my pocket and then the music starts playing. Man, this forest is so big, so big. A lot of hectares going deep down. I'm telling you, man, it's freezing here. Whew. So I left for maybe for another small forest. I'm heading to the big one. You see? Maybe inside here you're gonna find the monkey. I'm telling you. Let's see. So in our village here, we use the shortcut inside. Woo! I'm telling you, this is a huge forest. If you're scared, you can't pass inside here. And I think even there's monkey here. Man, woo. Look at this. So I'm heading until when I meet the tarmac, some main small route there. It's free. I'm telling you guys, these trees are so big. You wanna find the monkey inside here? Oh, wait, see. Oh, let's see. You know, look how trees are so big, man. No joke. No jokes. Wah! Wah, 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 wah. Ah, it is what it is. I'm telling you. Like, maybe if you're scared, you can't pass inside here. Trust me. But here, look, it's so big, man. But I'm coming from far end. Imagine from that way. Look the trees, man. Let's move on. You heard the motorbike passing there? Oh, you heard? Oh, let's move on. Maybe sometime we might find the monkey inside here. But it's a good thing. Let's move on. For now, you had, imagine this is a road here, passing inside here. Wow. So that's the real life in our village here. Sometime you wanna find your neighbor passing to your land, and there's no conflict. No conflict over there. We just are living as one unity, as one community, and the life starts going like that. You see, guys? And maybe I guess maybe you wanna see the monkey. I wanna show you, but maybe right now they're not around. There's a time I was passing here. There's a lot of monkey here. There's a troop of monkey inside here. We calling a troop or what, guys? A large number of monkey inside here. So maybe nowadays I wonder, or it's because people stay living near on this forest here. But you have the power saw. So actually I'm heading right there. It's serious. I see people are working, man. People are working like crazy, man. Maybe let me see. Maybe I wanna pass this way or not it. Let's pass here. People are working so crazy. Oh, oh man. So I'm just passing over here. Whew. Maybe there's road here or not yet. Wow, there's road here. This is a town fence, look. This is how family have been raised on. People are working, man. People are working. The foundation is crazy. So let's. Wow, so I've already reached the destination where I actually was showing you. And guys, guess what? So I'm just over here. And also, man, I love the beauty of the flowers and also the compound, man. Look at this. Hey, look. Oh, it's reminding me, man, when I want to build when I finish building the toilet, I'll put this one light. Oh, man, look. Even the pots, look. Hi, that's the light, man. Ooh. During at night. You've been here. Look. Some flowers and decoration, and actually I want to do like that on my project over here. Look, and a nice flower, man. Table, you chill here like this way, and you eat the barbecue over there, and also the firebox over here. Ajamali. The firebox over here, imagine, and you chilling here, relaxing, making some stories. Oh, God forbidden, let me launch the chairs. You think that you are in Europe, guys. Look at the chairs, guys. Oh, so after a few minutes, you see the reaction of these videos, guys. And actually I was heading on this part here. So today I wanna give the quick tour for the cabin. You see how it looks like? Very amazing. Very amazing. Look at the chairs. Drop on the thought comment section. What do you think about today's videos? And also, this is a staircase. Oh, like this. This and then boom. So I want to give you a quick tour before that. Oh, look at this. Wow, there's some hole. Look, like boom. Imagine Imagine that view. Boom. Let's move on. Oh, let's move on. So this is the gate. Look. The flowers, guys. Guys, advise me on the comment section. Direction going to the toilets on my project. Can I do these things? Oh, to find a tire like that one. But for me, I stop like not round. Not round. Okay. I'm good. Okay. So guys, Royal King is just over here, and I want to give you a quick tour for the cabin.
Yeah, man. I know you had a round outside here.
Yes, I round outside. I see the barbecue.
Yeah, the barbecue is ready.
The firebox, maybe.
Yeah,
it's firebox.
It's a bonfire.
Bonfire.
Bonfire point, eh?
Okay.
Yeah, bro. Welcome. Actually,
welcome.
like, this is a construction site. It's not yet ready to move in. We are still under construction.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah, you see, we are actually customizing the bed here. These are the legs. We have already put them there, bringing more parts, and then we compile it. So, bro, this is it. See, even the ceiling is not complete, but we have them extra boards.
Yes.
Here.
This can finish.
Yeah, this one will finish. Will finish. So, hello, baby, official family.
Hey.
Welcome.
You can't believe this is a cabin.
Yeah, it's a cabin, and this is a plywood. It's not even gypsum board, actually.
Why don't you put a gypsum?
Bro, just like we were discussing the other minute, the budget and everything.
Yes, I know.
Man, bro, it was
But
tough.
maybe when you get money,
I can change.
no, you add on it.
Oh, I add on top?
Yes.
Oh, good.
You add on top.
Thank you, now I learned.
Yes.
Now, actually, I'm going to save towards this one. When I get money, I just put the gypsum board on top. Good. Thank you, bro. Now, actually, you made everything easy for me now.
Yes.
I
Even you put tiles. What?
Yeah, the tiles are here, man. They look like yours. Just like your tile.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Yeah, bro, this is what... I think the house
Both
is...
of Nikas charge. Oh,
Yeah, we will bring it maybe forward a little bit and leave a space. Yeah, man.
Soft live.
Yeah, and my big glasses,
You
like
can
always.
see when outside it's
Yeah,
transparent.
But when you're outside, you can't see inside.
You can't see.
Unless there is light inside here. It's one way. Yeah, man. This is what.
This is a good house.
Yeah, bro. It's just okay. The idea with tiny houses, hello baby, it's living big in a tiny space. Because let me show you. Inside there, it's a bed. I was going to construct to install my kitchen there, but I won't do that because a lot of even Maro, your brother, was here and he said it's not a good idea. Do an outdoor kitchen there.
Out.
Yeah, outside. Now, this is where I'll put my. You see these sofa sets that always have the cushions. This is where I'm going to install them.
Yes, and then maybe here you put some grills.
Yeah, the wooden one.
Yes, the wooden one.
Wooden grills round.
And then on top you put some light here, there. Hey.
Even on top of the bonfires.
Wow.
Like the one, like Nastos lights.
Yes.
The one with golden yellow. Even on top of that shade. And when there is a bonfire event here in the evening, it's vibe, man.
And here you put some ceiling board. Oh,
yeah, bro.
man, here is just like Europe. I see when you have already stolen some.
Yeah, this is they are solar lanterns. They when it's daytime they are off, they are charging. When like at 6 in the evening, they just automatically go on.
So one goes how much?
700.
This one?
700. Yeah, 700 Kenyan shillings, like $5.
Let me say
Yeah.
for my toilet one.
And I'm telling you, it has the best light ever. Like it's like a flame, a flame
So
blazing like
you
this.
know, for me, like on my project,
Yeah.
actually on my toilet, I want to put a highway that you can see maybe on that tires, but round.
But round.
And
now.
then I will paint maybe some colors like Jamaican flag on the other side.
Man.
On the other side,
Yeah.
US flag, and then I'll put this light on the middle of the tires.
These ones, they are the best. At night, bro, you love them. Even me, I need to add more. On
Yes.
those. Actually, I went to that shop. I wanted to carry like the entire stock they have.
Border
But they had
town, what do
only-
we go?
Border town.
Okay.
But they had only 3 remaining. I was like, oh god, no. I wanted more because I know my cabin has very many spots that
yes.
need garden lights. Yeah, man, bro. And this is the dining area. This is where I will set my dining furniture. This is where I'll be eating from and all that. You know, I mean, this part, bro, it's going to be like it's a party vibe. If I had like that lower portion down there, I have a small swimming pool there. That is
Down.
my plan.
Oh, that's your land?
No, it's not mine. I'm saying if it happens, I get that small piece down
Yes,
there.
over there.
I just walk on a very nice swimming pool there.
Okay, God, you can open some doors.
Yeah, amen, man. Yeah.
Okay, maybe take me to the kitchen garden.
Yeah, let me show you back there.
Yes.
Actually, today we were working on, I didn't know how to mix
The chemical.
until you came, and then I did not
Yes.
even to do the pump. You came and fixed the
So
pump
and
for
then
me.
when you mix with water, you shake.
You shake fast.
Yes, and then you put that in a pump. Yes,
This is my kitchen flower garden, not
Yes.
kitchen garden, my flower garden. I have, you see, I have several flowers. I also have another lantern here. A lantern there. So at night, bro, around this place where there is the flowers, it's always wow, looking so good, man.
Okay.
Yeah. And
I'm just doing slowly.
Yeah.
Sasa na maji utayafanyaje?
Sasa hii maji inapitia hapo chini ikitokea huko mbele. What I'll do
Haiwezi affect your mti.
hiyo aizi hata hizo post nataka kuzishughulikia nizijenge round.
Unajua vile utafanya? Unaona round hivi. Wachimbe wajenge na mawe.
Jengo na mawe. Kwa kila post.
Kwa kila post. Alafu mawe inakuja inashika somewhere kwa hizi miti hapo. Juu hiyo miti kienda kukatika, unapata ile mawe iko hapo imejengewa
inalalia ile mawe.
Inakatu.
That is what I'll do.
Yes.
Hivyo ndo nitafanya. So nitawaambia.
Yeah.
That's a tip, man. I learned something very, bro. That's like an entire life alternative. It's like a very perfect option. Bro, let me tell you, man, I have struggled with my kitchen garden. Oh, vegetables is not vegetable. It's not a joke, man. Today I sold my coriander. Yeah, I sold that. I had a contract with one of the
lady.
Yeah,
I saw them over there.
She's going to be getting them every single day. Bro, I tried spinach, let me tell you. Hey, I tried, they dry, these ones. But at least...
Maybe you put more manure here.
Maybe I put more manure, right?
Yes.
But it was just the natural one. You see the one that I always put. The one from the cow dung. That is what I use.
Okay, maybe you planted during the time
when it was dry.
It's dry.
Yeah, I think that was my problem. And then my borehole as well, the water wasn't there.
Oh.
Yeah, I mean,
even right now.
Even right now, it survived some months during the dry season, but it, it stopped. The springs stopped bringing water.
Maybe during the dry season, you can dig some feet deeper.
I did that the last season. We got water. Now this season, no water. So I don't want to keep going and going until the end of the world, man. I just want to get my drums, and then I just want to organize drums, bro. Trust me, water will never be a problem here because I'll get enough drums.
Oh, maybe you can purchase maybe a small tank you put here, and then you harvest water.
Tanks, yes. When I talk of drums, I mean tanks.
Tank, not this one here. These are drums.
These are drums.
Yes.
I want the tanks.
Yes.
Even I'll have a top tank here for the toilet because I'm planning to build the toilet separate and bathroom separate from the septic tank. I need to have a top water because it will be a flush toilet. Yeah.
Okay.
We need to have a top tank here.
Okay.
Yeah, man. And,
so these are spray.
This is the one that you helped me
Yes.
fix with a problem.
So it's working.
I had sprayed the kales. It was the tomatoes remaining.
Okay, guys, let's spray.
Hold your camera, maybe.
You shake like this.
Then so they will survive, eh?
It's working, yes.
So there is no pest that can touch there.
Hey,
it's not a joke.
There's some problem with this.
Maybe the air pressure. Maybe there is no need of closing it. But I see when it's open, it's actually working nicely.
Let me see. This stuff maybe have some problem.
Agriculture. You need to know, you need to be familiar with the equipments.
Let's see, maybe it can work. Tricky situation. Let me see. Only when you tight, the pressure goes down. Let me see.
Oh, when you tie it, maybe the pressure goes down. Oh,
It's working.
it's working now, right? Yeah. Wow. And that is it now. Yeah. Hiyo harufu ya hiyo dawa haiwezi affect mtu. Oh.
No spray when you go nene.
Oh. Kitu seedlings nataka kuona kama tuta survive, man.
Wow, guys. So guys, I've already finished spraying, and over here, guys, we have one-on-one.
I am _Sea. So guys, we are just coming live from this beautiful area, Royal Cabin farm.
Over here, yes.
Yes. So here, the progress of just fixing this, customizing the bed. So the steps. Yesterday we were all about the legs. Today we are just going to finish some of the parts, and then maybe tomorrow or at the end of the day we are just going to talk about the drawers.
Okay, guys, that's the bed.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll say
Yeah, man.
I see you have all all tools here. Hey,
Yes, we have tools. We have tools.
man. Oh. Alright, guys. So today's videos are very, very special, and after this, maybe I'm heading to the place where I'm staying the whole of the day. I spend the whole of the day, and actually is Villa Madelline in 2024. Actually, I'm heading there to see the work for today, maybe, and then, you know, like today, we arrange the work for tomorrow. So I'm supposed to be there to see what is going on, man. Wow, look at this. I'm always showing you the beautiful sceneries. Hey. Yeah, guys, I was heading to my place where I was staying over there, Villa Madelline, and this is the cow. Imagine, I'm telling you, look, you come from crazy. As you go in India, there's one of the aggressive cow. Must be very careful. Look. Oh, wow. Ay, Samra, Narud. Okay, guys, sorry, I want to end my video, and maybe today to an arrange, guys. Look, the sky, not blue, it's purely dark. Look, so I'm supposed to end my video, and maybe I think Mr. Gak was pumping water from the river, and I want to say sorry, guys, because since morning I was not around at home. So, you know, like, the good thing about in our village here, I wake up early in the morning like this. Oh, Gake! So I see Mr. Gake over there. So the good thing about in our village here, I wake up early in the morning, and I know where I came from, man. I must working so hard, grinding so hard, man, right, left at the center. So to make sure that maybe one day I'll put something on the table. There's somebody here, but before that, let me see Mr. Gake and see what is going on. So I thank God, man, I have already quick recover, so no flu more, and I'm okay. So, man, this is a long journey to go, but it is what it is. So today, when you meet these videos, kindly give a like, man. Oh. So I want to ask Mr. Gake maybe tomorrow's work, and I know, so they can stick on my mind and say, oh, tomorrow when I wake up in the morning, I do like this. Oh. Let's move on. Wow. Mr. Gake, yeah, kesho kazi ni gani? So kazi means job, guys. Here's Mr. Gake. Say hello.
Yeah, let me just finish over here.
You're peeling some onions.
Peeling some onions. Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome back to this amazing vlog of the day. My name is Gake. If you're first time watching this and haven't subscribed to Hello Baby Official, go check him there, guys. There's amazing content over there. Your subscription, guys, is highly appreciated. Yeah, so
today's work?
Actually, today we've just done the job. So
pumping water.
Yeah.
So you know, every day when you maybe there's a time we pump water and it's raining.
Yeah.
So even today you pump water and see the raining is coming.
What you need at the fisherman is a lot of water because, for example, today's morning the water was just a little.
Yes, I saw
So
yesterday.
at the time which all the 3 ponds we shall just have the water, at that time we shall not be pumping. Like when it just rain consistency in like 1 to 2 weeks, actually the fish pond, all the fish just have a lot of water. So guys, actually here we go. I've just hear that you're just saying maybe I just planned tomorrow's work. Tomorrow's work maybe it should just be like, oh, tomorrow is a Saturday, and as always a Saturday, so the plan is we're just going to do some
Cleanings of terrazzo maybe.
Yeah, actually no. For terrace we always do the cleaning. For example, yeah, we should just do tomorrow because today the rain shall just fall, and anytime that rain should just fall, you're just going to do we just clean the remaining of the water because there's some water remaining at the rooftop. So we clean them so that like that. Even if we always say that even if the rain shall just be raining every day, we should just be doing the cleaning of terrazzo every day. So that's how it is. But tomorrow's main schedule of the day, or theme of the day is actually we're just going to conduct some spraying. We're just going to do some spraying of the livestock. We're just going to tomorrow. That's the work
tomorrow morning.
Yeah, and also maybe we should just be. But let me just say, let us be specific. The tomorrow's theme, all main activity of the day we should just be 2 activities, which is just actually tomorrow they're going to conduct a super and thoroughly cleaning of the villa. Inside the villa they're going to do some removal of the webs, cobwebs, ensuring the toilets are just clean,
and maybe outside you collect, you know, like today when it's raining, it collect all rubbish to the compound, so we clean everything.
And then so tomorrow we should just start with the spraying of the horses and the cows. After there we should just be doing some cleaning, so that the work. So guys, for watching this for the first time, can you hit the subscription button and just tell us what's your thoughts concerning this amazing video.
Hello guys. So guys, you heard, and let me show you whether there is some generator on the river, so I want to show you maybe today's work, but I'm so late. So you heard guys, you organize work earlier. So for me tomorrow when I wake up from my home, pop, I know. Okay. Acha mimi nimalizie video pale mtoni. Well guys, so I'm supposed to show you work which I'm going through maybe today. It's pumping of water, and maybe tomorrow's work is to correct this rubbish, to make sure that no lid of rubbish or container on this compound. So we're supposed to make the compound to be clean all the time. I hope the gate have not be closed, so I'm supposed to go outside, you know. Wow. So you know there is running water here, and I want to end my video. So here you must have gumboot. Oh, you step careful. Oh my god, let me step here. You see, so if I have a gumboot I could pass here right now. Oh guys, that's the flowing of water. Imagine, in our village here we lucky enough, totally lucky enough. Imagine. Oh, the green fire are making noise there. Whew. And these stones are very slippery, so I must pass here carefully. Oh man, so let's check it out. And in case you make these videos guys, subscribe, comment on my videos, let me know on the comment section what do you think about it. You heard the generator from the far end over here. Whoa. Well guys, yeah, hey, you heard it, and over here, look. So from here, going directly from here, going up down the white that is here. Alright, so guys, going to work. special. So guys, I want to end my video by saying, guys, sorry for the noise, by saying, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. Thank you for the retainer, subscriber, I really appreciate. And today it's cold, man. Look, it's freezing. So I'm supposed to have the jacket, maybe. And there you have boss.
Here is Mosab John.
Boss, guys.
Boss what?
Play
Yes.
like.
Right now, they're going to take their generator.
You want to turn off?
Yes, because as you can see, the water is not.
Yes, the weather is not good.
Yes, that's why I've decided to go to take the generator, the store, and then we see what next.
Guys,
Here is Mosab
check
John.
my Musabi John.
John.
Subscribe, guys.
John, okay.
So I want to end my video by saying thank you so much. And over here we have Uncle Mo. Yes, they want to turn off the camera. Oh, no. To turn off the generator, guys. Sorry. So I talk too much, and then the end of the day I'm speechless. So I want to say, guys, thank you so much. May God bless you guys. Bye bye.